What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we're going to be opening these two coin rolls from the bank and see if we can find something good. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, guys, hope you guys are having a great evening. Haven't been doing too well with these penny rolls lately, but I'm still hopeful. I've gotten good stuff before, and I think we can get good stuff now. So let's just see. 1996. All right. 1997. For the 1997 pennies, you have to make sure you look to see if there's a double ear. Also on the 1984, those are the two pennies you look for a double ear. Okay. 14, 13. 1998. Okay, so for 1998 through 2000, the A and M on America are usually touching. If it is not touching, that is money. For the 1998, it's about 20, 25 bucks. 1999, it's about anywhere between $300 to $500. For the 2000, it's about 20, 25 bucks. So yeah, make sure you check that. Sometimes it is visible to the eye. Sometimes you will need a microscope. Just depends on what condition the coin is in and how good your eyes are. Let's see. 2007, 2006, 2014, 2008. Okay, so we have a 1999 right here. So let's check. We're gonna put this under the microscope. Okay, so this one is close. All right. 1979. Some copper. Got some toning on there. Looks like dirt, but it's actually toning. You can see the little bluish hint. Not bad condition. Actually, I'll put this in my... I like to collect the copper coins. If they're in good condition, I'll keep them. So let's see. 1992. So for the 1992, it's the opposite of 1998 through 2000. This one, on the A and the M in America, it's spaced out. If it is close on the 1992, then you got over $1,000 in your hands. So let's go ahead and check this one. If it's a close AM, it is worth $1,000 or more, depending on condition. So make sure you check that out, guys. Check your coins. 2000, let's see. All right, that's close, not what we want. 1992 again. And that is wide. Okay. 1983, let's check to see the weight on this one. 1983 coin. You want it to weigh 3.1 grams and be copper. If it is, you may be in for some money. That's 2.5 grams right there. So is this a 2000? I can barely see it. Nope, it's 2008. Okay. 1998. Let's check this. All right, that is close. We want wide for that one. Got another 1998. So let's see. It's close again. All right, 2015, 2020. I wonder how many of you were able to get your hands on those 2023 pennies. I've been trying to get one of those $25 boxes from literally all the banks in the area, and no one has them. So that's a bummer, but I'm going to keep searching because who knows how many errors are in those boxes, especially with that 2023 VDBV error that was just discovered, which I did do a video on. If you guys go to my channel, you'll see it's the last video before this one. Those errors are selling for $45 and up. $45 and up, guys. The 2023 VDBV error. $1996. 1992. So this is 1992, and it isn't a 1992D. 1992 It's worth $300 if it has the close AM. The 1992D is worth over $1,000. So let me correct myself. The 1992 is only worth $300, but the 1992D is worth $1,000 if it is close AM. Yep. All right, we got another 1992. So let's check this one as well. $2015. Ooh, this is a nice 1980. Look at that. Shiny. That is nice. Keep this one. All right. This is 1999. Let's check that back. And it is touching. We want spaced. That's okay. I'm going to get one day. I'm claiming it, speaking it into existence. If these close and wide error pennies, I'm going to get them because they're out there, guys. Okay, 1997, 2015, 2014, 1990. Okay, guys, so that's it for the first roll. Let me go ahead and get the second roll ready. Okay, guys, so let's get through this second roll. Let's see if we got anything good. All right. 1987. We got a 2000. Let's check this. And it is close. It is close. We want wide. 2015. 2005. 2006. 18, 15. 1992D. Let's check this. Oh, looks closer than most, but it's not touching. That would have been great. Oh my goodness. 2017. You know, with the 2017 pennies, you look for the floating head. It almost looks like Lincoln's head is detached. 2017 P or 2019 pennies. 2015. 2000 again. That one is close. What's that last? It's 2003, 2008. Okay. All right. Let's see. 1991. Okay, so we got to weigh this 1983 to see what it. Okay, so it's 2.6 grams. 2.6 grams. We want 3.1. So 14, 1990, 82. 1982, we want small date, and we want 3.1 grams copper. So you got another 1983, 2.5 grams. Okay. And you can get a weighted scale on Amazon, or you can Google it. Just get a pocket scale. They have them for cheap, and you'll be able to weigh your coins. It's very convenient in this hobby. You do need one. I also recommend getting a microscope. You can find those on Amazon as well. Interesting. Looks like somebody tried to damage that one. 2013, 1994. 1985, 1979. Okay, what do we have? Another 1983. Let's weigh that. Oh, that scared me. My scale tried to play a trick on me. I don't know if I kept my hand on it too long, but that thing said 3.1, and then it switched to 2.5. Oh my goodness. That's big money, guys. If that was a 3.1, that would have been big money. But unfortunately, it is a 2.5. So we go to the next one. 1989. Let's see, 2007. 2002. Oh, look what we have here. We have a Canadian. Awesome. What year? 1966. Nice. So it's a little dirty, but that's pretty cool. It'll go in my foreign pile. All right, let's see. Coming to the end of the roll. $19.95, 2002, 2018, 2017, 2013. All right, let's see. 1984. And last but not least, 2016. Let me put this under. Yes, 2016. All right, guys, so let me clean this up and I will give you a recap. Okay, guys, so here's a recap. We found this 1966 Canadian coin, this beautiful 1980 copper coin, very good condition, and this 1979 copper coin with toning. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting. Oh, and wait, I forgot. Some of you have been asking what mat I use. And this is the mat that I use, guys. I actually got it off of YouTube from a coin collector that I follow. I literally cannot remember the channel. It was a smaller channel, but he was selling them on his website. And I bought one. And this is how it looks. These are all the errors that I'm always looking for, plus some of the newer 2022, 2023 errors. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.